Wanted to just show you that CapCut is now available for editing and creating captions on the desktop. So in order to do that, all you simply have to do is go to CapCut.com. So you can download this to your computer, but I'm going to just go ahead and use it in the web browser and not bother downloading anything. So I'm going to go ahead where it just says get started for free. And this brings me into the CapCut editor. So I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to upload a video. Okay, so now my video is uploaded. So what I want to do is it's been imported, but I want to now add it to my timeline. So I'm just going to hover over it and I'm going to click the plus here. So here's my video here, and I know I want to edit out the beginning because it took me a while to kind of get cracking. So I'll just play for a second and then I'll show you how I would split the clip. So right before I open my mouth, I'm just going to scoot this back a bit, and that's probably just about right. And here, if I hover over this, this will split the clip. So now I see I have two clips, the beginning, and this is what I don't want. So if I just highlight that, then I can hit this trash can and that deletes it. And you notice that it has automatically moved the video along. And then of course I could go through and make any edits in the rest of the clip. But this is a really short clip. It's just a test. And let's just see where it ends.
See you soon. Bye.
Okay, so that probably seems good. Maybe just go just a couple more seconds and then I can split the clip there and ta-da, there we go. So there is my whole clip. It's really short from start to finish. It's only 15 seconds, but just wanted to show you that. So of course now I can go through and I can add all sorts of different things. I can have effects and stickers and they got all sorts of really fun things in CapCut. So I could come in and add all these kind of cute goofy stickers and put them all over my clip. And if I wanted any on-screen text, I could put text on the screen, etc., etc. But what I really want to show you is really how could you add captions. So if you come up here in text, so you click on the text menu and you click on auto captions. So right here it's recognize voice in your sounds and create the captions, or we can go ahead and if you had your captions somewhere else you could copy and paste them in. But we're going to go with this one, recognize voice. This is going to give me auto-generated captions. And you can see here that if I, this is going to be in American English as the default. If I click the down arrow, there's different languages that you can choose from. So they have British English, etc., etc. But I'm just going to go with American English. And all I have to do is click create. And CapCut will do its little magical thing and auto-generate those captions for us. And ta-da! There you go. So now I can come in here and here's my captions and I can come here and you notice when I clicked on the captions, so let me take it off again. So when I click on the captions, did you see that this menu came up on the side of here is my captions in the entirety. So I can come through here and play and make edits and put capitals and periods and all that sort of stuff that I want to do. I can do all that right here. And that's just easy as pie. And if I want to, I can also, let's just kind of go back here. I can click on this is how I would edit the captions. So here, let's go ahead and put in a capital H just so that you see how easy that is to make any kind of corrections. And of course, I could play this along in case I need to go, oh, what was that word, whatever. And then if I come here where it says text, this is where I can change the style. So right now my caption has no style, but I might decide, oh, I want it to have like a black border, or I might come down here and maybe There's all sorts of different ones. I kind of lean towards having like a background color and then having my text be a different color. And then from there, you can change the colors. You can do all sorts of different things. You can change the spacing and the lines and the alignment. So I can make it centered. I can make it left. You can do all sorts of different things with the alignment. If you want your captions to be a little bit bigger, all you have to do is you just slide about to be as big as you want them to be. And then, of course, you'd probably want to scoot all the way through just to make sure that you never kind of go outside of this. You can also just sort of pick it up and drop it wherever you want on the screen. So that's nice to know. And here's where I could change the color of the canvas. If I don't like black, maybe I'd want to choose purple. Probably hard to read if I choose purple, but as you can see, I can make all sorts of different changes with the text color, the background color, etc., etc. And I can just come back and choose a different one and, you know, play with these all that I want. So this is all very, very easy peasy to use. And at this point, if I had gone through and cleaned up all my captions and I was ready to go, at this point, if I wanted to export, I just come over here, click where it says export. Looks like I got to log in to export. So there we go. Let's go ahead and do that. I've already got an account. Okay, so yes, I did have to create an account. Account is free. All you have to do is give them your email address. So that is not really a big deal. So I have now signed in, and at this point, if I want to export, all I do is I come over here, click on export, and I can give my title, I can give my file a title, so I'll just call it CapCut Demo 1. As you can see, I can export at 1080p, which is awesome. And I can export this as an MP4. And it's interesting, it was an MOV, so I actually uploaded this from my phone. So kind of cool to know that you can bring an MOV, MP4, all sorts of different video files into CapCut to make their changes. Okay, so I will go ahead and export. And now my second step is to download the file. So I'm going to download the file. There's the file. We'll just see how it plays. Hi there. I just wanted to send you a quick video message today. So there we go. There is my file all done for me, and easy peasy with CapCut, that is for sure. So I just think it's really cool that CapCut is now available to use on your desktop computers. So if you don't like having to use your phone, here is just another place that you can use CapCut for free.